morning. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today is SheModern Saturday. I have here Mixed Arts number 18 in, I'm going to say it's green. Could be my eyes, but it looks kind of like blue teal, but we'll go with green. This is really super cute. It has got some of her new designs. It's got the birds, 2 flowers, and 3 butterflies. I think this is just gorgeous. Check her out, SheModern.com. Check her out here on YouTube, SheModern. Instagram, she is she_modern. Show your support. Thank you very much for that. As you can see, I have cut out the vine. That's what we're going to be working with here today. On my nails, I already have my base coat, First in Line by Sinful. I have got a Wet n Wild Fergie. I cannot see the name of the color though, and I doubt that you'd be able to too, but I really like this yellow. So that's what we're working with here today. I have got my decal cut out. Cut it as close to the design as you can. And I am going to, or I already did, I cut 2 little slits in it, one on each side, because, you know, nails are curved, they're not straight. And you want your design to stick to your nail. Put your drop of water down on top and underneath. Whoops. Let this soak for, I don't know, 10-15 seconds. And we'll be in business. I have my tweezers that I'll need to pick the design up and place on my nail. And my tissue. Push this down in the water, so that way it gets saturated. Trusty little bottle came from SheModern.com when I ordered pigments. She'll send you, or maybe it's with decals, I can't remember, I've had this for a while now. I think it's with the decals. Yeah, the decals. Has a label on it where you can write water, acetone, whatever you want to put on there, alcohol, put a piece of tape over the top of it. Wet your nail. Design looks like it's ready. I just got to figure out which way I want to put it on my nail. I did have a test nail that I did it on. Not sure where I put it. So I'm going to place this diagonally across my nail. Whoops. And as you can see, it stuck to my finger. Whoops. You can't get it off. Can't see. There we go. Let's see which way is this. Okay. Gonna get my tissue, try to put it in place. Tap it down, get all the excess water out. And there we go. I really love this design. I think it is so elegant. You can change up any simple manicure with this. Be great for the holidays that's coming up. You can do it at any color. You can order these in 17 different colors. I'm going to put my Pro FX Fast Drying Top Coat over the top of this. Once down each side, ladies. Once back down the middle, and cap your edges. Hope you like this. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'm just doing that one nail today, the accent nail for this manicure. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Click the bell for all future videos to be notified. I think this turned out really great. I love this design. I think the 2 colors go really, really well together. Like I said, you can order them in 17 different colors, I believe. She's got a whole line of new decals that just came out, so please check that out. If you check her out on YouTube or Instagram, please let her know that Just Nailed It sent you. And I hope everybody has a blessed day. Thank you.